Okay, look this math magic. 12 into 11 equal 12. 23 into 11 equal to 23. 34 into 11 34. 45 into 11 45. Now we arrange with it plus 1. Look that 1 plus 2 equal 3. Okay, 2 plus 3 equal 5. Okay, 3 plus 4 equal 7. 4 plus 5 equal 9. That is the